octopus that thing is. Let's see something on that. Let's see, which one is the Guardian? Both running. Oh, that's the York. This is the York right here. Holy crap, that's hot. Alright, that's proof that the Guardian's working better than the York. Guardian's newer than the York. I think I've picked out what kind of replacement we're going to get for the York when it does die. It's one of those separator things. The camera's all fogged up for whatever reason. Pipe for the hot water heater. Yeah, goes up there. The air handler's up there. Now we're gonna try and get a start up at the neighbor's York if it didn't already turn on. Let's see. Crap. Oh crap, man. Yep, I went up in the attic. This thing already turned back on? No, it's still off. It's still off. The only one running is the Guardian now. Oh crap, why is my camera still clogged up? And you know, it's not actually all that hot. There we go. Let's get a start up this thing. It's nice if it's not running. If it's not running, because this thing is loud as heck. And it's not loud compared to some units in the neighborhood. It is windy. Very, very, very windy. Suction line dried off on it. Guardian's nice and quiet. Really, it kind of is actually. You can just barely hear it from my room up there. I don't like sticking by that thing because my neighbors pissed at me. I mean, even if I'm in my side of the yard, they get pissed at me when I'm over here. I mean, they tell me to remove myself. It's my house. I should be able to do whatever I want. Nice out here, I have to say, for August 12th. This has been... Oh, there it goes, right there. Don't know if that came in the camera. I hope it did, but... Here's old reliable right here. Chugging away. the Guardian to shut off. This thing runs pretty good, considering it's 13 years old. That one not so good, because the compressor just restarts itself, but I don't know, it's already on. I don't know exactly. I'm gonna go. Ah, crap, my feet are all muddy. I ain't going to get yelled at. I didn't think it rained. Oh crap, the neighbor's garage door's open. Are you kidding me? Well, there's the American Standard over there. Oh crap, my neighbor's in his garage.